So you have to call a tow truck, right? And now how do they get it into neutral? Well, there's a little button here that you can press to get the car into neutral. You lift this up. This is just kept in by clips. You can just pull this up with your finger, okay? Pulls up like this. And right down there you see a yellow button, that little yellow button. You depress this button and then you can shift the steering wheel. I'm going to use my other hand, excuse me. Make sure you're holding onto the brake if you're on a downhill. But there you go, we just shift into neutral, okay?